Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. So I wanted to give you my input on the real estate broker commission drama that's going on based on those lawsuits out of Missouri. They were kind of BS. By the way, brokers are better. That means mortgage brokers are better than lenders is the whole point of that. I could tell you all about that if you want more. But the point of this video is to talk about the drama that there is around this, because now the National Real Estate Association has signed off saying they're no longer going to allow the public posting of the buyer's agent commission on the listings. And I don't know how that will solve whatever the problem is that there supposedly is, but I'm going to tell you a story that I'm going through right now. As a professional in this business for almost 19 years now, and I have a real estate license that I don't use, it's inactive, I've seen a lot. And I have a client right now, somebody who's become a friend after being a client for many years, very savvy, many real estate properties that they own. They buy a property here in the Keys without realtors. My advice always is, hey, at the very least, get an attorney that's going to represent you with the contract. Now, they have nobody to negotiate for them because I asked them, told the attorney, here's some things to negotiate. Attorney didn't do anything. I've jumped in, I've spoken to the seller. I've gone above and beyond my role. I don't get paid to do that stuff, but it's what I have to do to make this deal go through smoothly and to help my client, because I do have a fiduciary responsibility to my client. But in the end, not only do they not have someone representing them through many details, the inspection process, the roof that had issues, just the purchase price. I mean, how do you know a purchase price? You're gonna guess, especially in the Keys, it's so dynamic, so different. But then the appraisal came in at the purchase price. So you would think, you're like, hey, the seller's saving money, therefore I got a good deal on this property. No, the seller just saved themselves a commission. That's all that happened. The buyer did not get representation. The buyer did not get a better deal because the appraisal is the same as the purchase price. If the appraisal came in $20,000, $30,000 over the purchase price, then yes, the buyer got a good deal by not using a realtor. Excellent. But that didn't happen. And this is typically the case. Now, there's a lot of realtors out there that are very inexperienced, that don't know what they're doing. Hopefully they work under someone that does have a lot of experience and can help them. But this doesn't mean that having a realtor is bad. You need representation. You need someone with experience that's going to help you, especially if you end up getting a mortgage from like a Rocket in Michigan. You know, you get a call center. If you're going to end up getting a call center mortgage person, and then you're also going to end up not using a realtor, I mean, you're like doubly not having good representation. Nobody local that can help you with the issues that there are locally. And the thing is, people don't realize how complex, how nuanced real estate is. Different from county to county, different from property type to property type. I mean, there's so much to it. And everybody thinks it's easy because they don't do all the work that we do on the back end. Mortgages, title, and real estate, and attorneys. So I don't know how it's going to pan out. The mortgage industry has the Dodd-Frank Act, which changed our mortgage commission structure greatly. It caused people to go become larger lenders and charge more money to the clients, charge higher rates. So this consumer protection hurt consumers financially, just like the appraisal reform caused the appraisal cost to go up. So by helping the consumer, they've made it more expensive for the consumer. So let's see how it turns out with this. It might end up being the same, just a whole bunch of red tape for absolutely no reason. But that's my story on this, and that's my take. Mortgage Nerd out.